So I was gone for a day, and in my absence, Dad got the trailer that he was working on in the shop out, and he moved in the green Bombardier.
Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm going to replace the manifold gaskets in here.
Okay.
I got everything disconnected now except these 3 bolts, and they all have to be cleaned out good. And what happens is these studs go right into the block. Hey, so anyway, if the nut seizes on here, it comes out of the block, and then you got to put stuff around here to seal it when you put it back in the block, or it'll leak out.
Okay.
So
Originally you were working on this and you thought it might be something else with the valves or something, wasn't it?
no, we set the valves. I didn't know for sure. This is a poly, and I didn't know for sure if and it had been rebuilt.
Yeah.
When we done this Bombardier, and I didn't know if they had manual valve lifters or hydraulic.
Okay.
Because when they come brand new, they were manual.
Yeah.
But when this was rebuilt, they had put hydraulic in, so we had to set the valves by timing.
Okay. And so by changing out the manifold gaskets, is this just preventative maintenance for this machine? Or?
No, it's leaking in here. The gasket's leaking.
Okay.
And once that happens, you got fumes that got burn the plug wires. So we'll clean up the manifold and the head.
Okay.
And then this is the new gasket goes in.
Okay. So, Dad just mentioned here, when you smell fumes, it might be indicative of having to change out your manifold gasket, but check for leaks always, everywhere.
Well, if it's leaking anywhere, the fan is pushing the fumes into your cabin while you're driving, and you could get gassed.
Yeah. So, this is what Dad's got in the shop here today. It's busy always. Didn't take a day off. We want to actually get this green Bombardier back to the customer. It's a short job for Dad to do, and he's got a bunch of little jobs that he wants to tackle here. He's still working on this airboat, but he had a trailer in the shop that the customer needed back, and so we want to move in that blue Bombardier, but we got to clear out a bunch of the other jobs in the yard because we need the space. And while it's still warm enough, Dad is going to do these small tasks, get them out of the way, because we know that that blue Bombardier is going to be a lot of work. And we got in touch here with the customer on the yellow. Dad's got some work to be done on the tire rims. We just did a video on that one, so watch that one.
Let's get the rims done.
Yeah.
Tires mounted.
So these are the 5 good tires and rims. And he's got one rim already up there. He's got to fix that one. And we got 2 outside that he's got to clean up and re-weld. But this machine, I'll put I found an old picture of how this Bombardier started, and I'll try and include it in here right away. And then Dad's going to give this a good once over wash, and we're going to actually do another video on front to back, back to front, up and down, on all the things that Dad did on this Bombardier. So it's probably going to be the next video after this. But Dad wants to highlight all the work that was done on this Bombardier, simply because of the fact that customer might want to sell this one as well. Now, I put this one into the classic car category. This thing was built from scratch. Everything is brand new or brand new-ish. And if you want a Bombardier in high style, this is the machine. So while Dad's working on the manifold gaskets, we're going to let him do that. And then next video is probably going to be a front to back, back to front. We're going to wash this down and clean it up, and you guys can have a good tour of this one. And thank you for all the new subscribers lately. We really enjoy doing the videos. If you guys have any comments or questions, just comment down below in the comments field, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.